Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access privacy. Following that, tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like location. Then you can tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last option, so when I click, in this case, I need to confirm my choice in the pop-up. Then go back. As you can see, after that, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. If you want to, you can also click on one of those features and look for an app that you wish to manage. Now, instead of tapping on one of those options, select CO, in my case Google Play Store, Permissions. Then manage all of those features only for chosen apps the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!